Hey there, appliance repair superheroes. Do you find yourself zapping away technical glitches and bringing devices back to life? If you're running an appliance repair business in the United States, you might be wondering, how can I protect myself from potential risks and liabilities? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the world of appliance repair insurance. Stick around as we break down the ins and outs of this crucial coverage, step by step. Step 1. Recognizing the risks. Before you jump into the insurance game, it's important to understand the risks you're facing. As an appliance repair business, you're no stranger to the unexpected. From fire damage to accidental slip-ups during repairs, your journey comes with a dash of unpredictability. Appliance repair insurance has got your back, helping you tackle these risks head-on. Step 2. Appliance repair insurance versus home appliance insurance. Now, let's clear up some insurance confusion. Appliance repair insurance and home appliance insurance might sound similar, but they're as different as a microwave and a blender. Appliance repair insurance is tailored for businesses like yours, covering third-party liabilities and property damages. Home appliance insurance, on the other hand, is for homeowners looking to safeguard their appliances from everyday wear and tear. So, remember, one's for your business, and the other's for your home sweet home. Step 3. Types of appliance repair insurance coverage. Now, let's unpack the insurance toolbox. Here are the key coverage types that can save your day. General liability insurance. This superhero of insurance swoops in to protect you from third-party claims. Whether it's customer injuries or damaged property during repairs, general liability insurance has got your back. Plus, you can level up its power by adding products and completed operations coverage, guarding you against claims that show up fashionably late. Commercial auto insurance. Zooming to your customer's rescue requires a trusty van. But accidents can happen, from collisions to objects suddenly appearing out of thin air. Commercial auto insurance steps in to save the day, covering auto liability, physical damage, medical payments, and even the elusive uninsured or underinsured motorists. Workers' compensation. Your team members are your unsung heroes. And if they get injured while battling appliance mishaps, workers' compensation is your shield. Required by law in most states, it covers medical bills and lost income, ensuring your team is taken care of. Employer's liability insurance. When employee lawsuits strike, you need backup. Employer's liability insurance steps in where general liability falls short, protecting you from claims stemming from employee injuries at work. Commercial property insurance. Your base of operations needs defense too. Commercial property insurance guards your business space from fire, weather, and other unexpected perils. It's like a fortress for your gadgets and gizmos. Crime insurance. Evil takes many forms, even in the form of crime. Crime insurance shields you from theft, fraud, and other financial crimes, ensuring your business stays secure. Professional liability insurance, E&O. No one's perfect, not even tech wizards. Professional liability insurance steps in if your advice or negligence leads to financial losses for your customers. Pair it up with general liability insurance for a full superhero squad. Step 4. Choosing the right insurer. Now that you've got the lowdown on coverage types, where do you find the right insurance? There's a sea of insurers out there, but not all capes are created equal. Look for insurers experienced in appliance repair coverage and discounts. Check reviews and pricing to find your perfect match. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to getting insurance for your appliance repair business in the United States. Remember, it's not just about repairing appliances, it's about safeguarding your business against the unexpected. So, whether you're fixing microwaves or rescuing refrigerators, with the right insurance by your side, you'll be the superhero your customers and business deserve. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.